Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can transfer your Google domain over into Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to unlock your domain on Google. All domain holders or domain host services do have an option to lock or unlock a domain, and you're going to need to unlock your Google domain as well as get a authorization token, or an authentication token, which you're going to get on your email address, which you're going to need to use to actually connect your domain to Squarespace. Now, once you've done everything there, you're going to need to go into your settings menu, then go into domains and email, click domains, then click use a domain I own and enter your Google domain. I'll just add some random domain. I don't know, for example, www.bing.com. Now, of course, this isn't my domain, but let's pretend it is just for the purpose of this tutorial. You can transfer the domain completely to manage it through Squarespace, or you can just connect the domain, and I'll just click connect. Service provider, you can select GoDaddy, Google Domains, and in this case, we want Google Domains. So select that, click connect domain. Connection is in progress, and once that's done, as you can see, you can start your transfer over here, and you are probably going to need to actually enter the authorization token that I've mentioned previously, somewhere along the lines of here. Once you click start transfer, now this is not my domain, so I won't be transferring it, but you pretty much get the gist of it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.